Hello everyone, I am Jaya Verma, third year student of architecture, studying at G&AC School of Architecture, Ludhiana. Today, I am going to illustrate how a drinking bird works. So, here it is. A drinking bird is a toy heat engine that exploits a temperature difference to convert heat energy to a pressure difference within the device and performs mechanical work. Like all heat engines, drinking bird works through a thermodynamic circle. First of all, I need to discuss what components do a drinking bird have. So, a drinking bird basically consists of a beak and a head which is covered with a cloth, a body which have a liquid called dichloromethane which is of blue colored, and a rotational axis about which it rotates, and a stand. Then we need a glass of water too. Now let me show you how it works. So to initiate the thermodynamic cycle, its beak need to be wet, so I am dipping its head in the water. Now that the beak and head is wet, evaporative cooling occurs, in which the water evaporates and cause cooling, due to which temperature at the upper portion decreases, so the pressure also decreases, creating a pressure difference between upper and lower portion. Now, due to the pressure difference, liquid or coolant, which is of blue colored here, actually rises up, which shifts the center of mass, and the bird bends down due to gravity. When the bird bends, liquid came back down and the cycle continues like this only. That's it. Thank you.